How to fix your iPhone is charging but the battery percentage is not increasing. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first and the foremost thing that you can do is be patient, as sometimes this is normal, especially when the battery is above 80%, or if you have enabled optimized battery charging, or if your iPhone is too hot. Also, make sure to check your iPhone temperature, and if your iPhone is warm, charging pauses automatically and percentage may stay stuck. So, if you are using thick phone cases, you can try to remove the phone cases and move your iPhone to a cooler place and wait until it's cooled down, and you might be able to fix your issue. If not, then make sure that you are using Apple certified charger and cable. And if not, then try using a different cable and different adapter and make sure to plug into wall socket directly and not your PC or power bank. The next fix is you can try to clean the charging port, as sometimes the charging might get stuck if the charging port is too dirty. Next, launch the Settings application on your device and tap on Battery and then tap on Battery Health and Charging. Further, go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for optimized battery charging and then plug in again and check if the percentage increases. If not, then in Settings again, tap on General and then on Software Update. Now go ahead and charge your iPhone and see if your issue is fixed yet or not. If not, then in Settings again, tap on Battery and then on Battery Health and Charging. If your battery health is below 80%, your iPhone will shut down early and charging will reduce very slowly. Also, in Settings again, tap on General and then on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then on Reset and then tap on Reset All Settings, as this will reset all settings and will bring your iPhone to regular settings, which might help you in fixing your battery percentage issue. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix your iPhone shows charging, but the battery is not charging. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.